this is Julie with Beataholique. In this video, I want to show you how to use Xuron memory wire cutters. So when you are creating a project, you definitely want to have the right tools for the project. And I'm pulling out a pair of traditional cutters so that we can compare them. So memory wire is great. It is a steel wire, this is gold plated, that holds its shape. So it's got these coils like you see here, and it stays like this. It's almost like a spring. It has like a spring action, and you can just loop it onto your wrist, and then it takes back its shape once you stretch it out. So it goes back into shape. So it's a great, fun jewelry making product. It's a great way to make bracelets that fit a lot of different size wrists. So it's really great. Now, the one thing about it though is you cannot cut it with regular cutters. So here is my traditional cutters that I use in just about every video. But if I was to cut this steel wire with these cutters, I would have a dent. It would actually dent my pliers, most likely. It's very strong. It needs to be strong in order to hold its shape and bounce back. So I have some memory wire, and you can see that I've actually cut little finial beads on the end. I actually just did a video showing how to finish a bracelet, finish memory wire ends with finial beads. So I am gonna cut these off so that I can use it for another project. So the way a memory wire cutter works is you see the tip looks quite different from a traditional cutter. And what it is it's quite heavy duty. It has this really nice spring action to them, nice soft handles. And you're just going to place the wire into the cutter, into the jaws, and snip. And it snips it really easily and very clean. I'm gonna show you that one more time. So you just place it into the jaw and cut, and then it's done. That's how easy it is. You don't have to file the end. It's nice, it's smooth, it's a good, clean, straight cut, and very easy to do.